Hiya, so we're dinner clean with me today. This is the living room after a busy Sunday. The boys are abed. Normally we clean up together, but not tonight. I was just gonna do it all by myself. So I'm popping in my earphones and then I'm putting on something to listen to. I love listening to Bailey at the minute. She does like true crime and all that fun stuff. So I'll pop her down below for you guys to check out. I am now just folding the washing situation. That has been there for a couple of days and it needs to get sorted. So yeah, just folding all of that up. Popping all the washing away just at the doors of each bedroom, and we'll do it in the morning when the boys are awake. Then I'm collecting up some of Mohammed's toys, putting them in his toy basket. This one is the one that belongs to him, and then there's another one for Idris. And then just tidying up this area, and that side is done. Moving on to the middle part of the room. This unit is a build-up of quite a lot of things quite easily. Got some things to post, and then majority of it just goes into that drawer, which is my letters and paperwork and all of the other things that have no place drawer, as we all have that. And then cups going in the kitchen. The rubbish bags will eventually go in the kitchen, and now I'm just going to give everything a spray down. I use the Ocean Saver spray. Again, I'll link it down below, and it's just a really nice spray to use. I think this one's the pomegranate one. And yeah, so just giving everything a wipe down. And then I was like, why is this drawer not closing? I go behind it and I find garlic, and I bought this garlic like a week and a half ago and I couldn't find it anywhere, so I just thought I'd binned it, and now I have loads of garlic, which is great. Then I'm just giving the TV a little wipe over, just because of the fingerprints and all that jazz. So now moving down to the table. This is our dining table, but it's also arts and crafts. So I'm tidying up the arts and crafts that Mohammed made. He did some dinosaurs today, which are beautiful. And then yeah, finding all of the little bits that came with them lovely dinosaurs. And then a little wipe down, and then popping all of our Nando sauces up. We use Nando sauce for pretty much every meal, so it's just easier to have it out. And yeah, just giving the table a wipe down, and also giving Idris's high chair a wipe down. And that is that bit done. Then this is like the bigger area of toys, so the more bulky toys tend to stay here. So it's just turning them all off, finding the bits, putting the bits away. That is Idris's basket, which all of his toys will go into. And yeah, just picking up all the toys that are everywhere. And all the drawings and arts that I've been given, which I'm so grateful for. Then I'm just giving the window a wipe down. This is where the cat has her food and water, so just cleaning up any spills. And then yeah, just giving it a quick wipe. And this is the main kind of hub for the toys and the arts and crafts, so putting all the food in the food basket and then tidying up the cubes and then sorting out the arts and crafts. I go through the arts and crafts and find the things that are not Picasso and various other artists standard, and they get put in the recycling bin. I do keep a lot of Mohammed's artwork because he does this every single day. It's a lot of art and I don't have space for all of it, so yes, I keep a lot, but things that are just not worthy, I don't keep. And if they're not finished, I do keep them because he'll tell me where are they and I'll be in trouble. So onto the sofa, picking up all the paperworks and all of that good stuff, popping it in the recycling, and then we will take everything off the sofa and give it all a wipe down. We'll pop the wipes and the cream back in the nappy basket, and yes, so take everything off the sofa, give it a little shake and a zhuzh, put everything back on. And then just picking up the bits of clothing and popping them outside the right door. iPad goes up on the side, ready to be charged, and then I go under the sofa just to find the extra toys that will be under there, guaranteed, always under there. Then I'm just picking up the blankets and stuff that have been left and popping them outside the doors as well, and the teddies and the dressing gowns and the DVDs. Also do that. Just refreshing onto another video. Normally takes me 2 videos to clean the living room, which is a great kind of time management skill. I need to get everything done in that time. Just sorting out the rug. Then I'm going ahead and giving everywhere a sweep. Normally I would hoover, but it is the night time, the boys are asleep, and I do not want to disturb. So I sweep or hoover pretty much every day. So yeah, it's just a sweeping night tonight. So a quick sweep everywhere. And then I go afterwards with a floor wipe. I enjoy using floor wipes in the living room just because I can get to like certain areas. I can give it all a good round wipe, but certain areas need it more than others, so I can give it a good scrub. And the final thing is just freshen up the soft furnishings with some freshener, and that is us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye!